Hey guys, I'm under the table right now. Try to guess where I am. Just kidding. Nice joke, isn't it? I already told you.
Dong dong dong. Hello. Where's the Suri? I see ya.
Which one do you guys want to go for? The big one or small? Or the little ones? Like the big one, because usually all of you guys chose the biggest first. Just take off that tape. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Make sure there's no more tape. Cut. Yes. More tape. And I'm horrible. So now there we go. So now we how to take this out. Mommy, help me out here, guys.
Why? What happened?
I just can't. I don't know how to take this stuff out.
Oh. Listen to me.
While she's doing that, we are gonna check out my Connect Sounds. So it's the pink one. They say it's glittery, so let's take it out. It's so noisy. I also have some scissors if you need them. That's enough to make for now, but look over here. So you guys, this is what Connect Sound looks like. This is what it looks like. If you've never ever tried Connect Sound, then just go inside Toys R Us. You'll see an already open one where the bikes are. And then you can feel like what it feels like if you don't know. Well, let's start on blue. The blue looks new, but it's not. Well, it is new today, but this is the whole thing, and this is what it looks like. It's exactly the same. And then you see this little tower at the back of it. We are gonna do that. So probably you guys are all asking how we're supposed to use this. Well, it's easy. You just poke it inside the little tower things, right there, and then you just put the rest inside, and then make sure it's nice and evened, and it's both on both sides, like it's like that. And then you do like this. Then you pat it, and then boom. Our sandcastle that was beautiful, isn't it? I'll put it in. Okay. Now last color is purple. So the purple is pretty, matching with it, with the tower, see? And the lid is also matching. So and this is new. This is what we make. And then we're done. So maybe we could wait for a few minutes. Let's see how long we can count. Sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, T, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. time, won't you sing with me? And tell me down in the comments how long you could sing ABCs. My mom's almost finished. So while she's doing that, we are gonna look at this. So this is called Grow Hairs, and we are just gonna look at this, but we are gonna open it if we have enough time. My mom said these are not for kids. These are for like big kids. So I think she's right because I didn't even do anything. But I did do the watering and that was so easy. And she helped me open it. So yeah. I need a scissors. I need scissors. No, I have my little one. Thanks, Mom. My mom's helping me out right now. And then we read E. You know, this is actually very hard to hold. This is... Wow, this is so hard. It's the grow hairs. I'm trying to show them, but I'm also trying to open it.
Okay, fine.
Oh, so we are going to finish that later. Okay, so this is what it looks like. See, this is a little crystal ball. But if you want to see the doll, okay guys, if you want to, you are sure. Are you guys sure? Oh, so like her seriously, her earrings. Her earrings could actually fall off. Oh, I need to this. Guys, okay, let me help this. Sorry if you can't see anything right now. Okay, so this is what the doll looks like. Her earrings, but they're very beautiful. So tell me, what do you think? Also, she's a limited edition, so make sure to see that. Okay. So her shoes and the leggings, there's like little icicle pops. Okay, just taking off a little plastic. This is...
Oh, be careful.
Her purse is stuck to her right now. And make sure I don't cut the dress. And then I have more places of it. This is her purse. It's very clear and it's very nice. And I'm going to work on her head. So let's see what this she has on her. Oh. So I need bigger scissors. So here we go. And I need to uncut this. There we go. And then cut this. Oh,
It's so hard.
yeah. It looks harder than it looks. I use the wrong scissors.
Need help?
No. I'm cutting her. No, I'm made a big mistake. I accidentally cut her. So while she's on that, I gotta open up this bottle and see what. Oh no, the crystal! Ah! The crystal already fell out. I'll pick up the crystals. The crystals. Oh my god. They fell out! Here, now we can see out the crystals. So this is her stand that she stands on, and well, as you can see it, you probably know it already lights up. Okay. I know I'm thinking you the most. That's a very pretty song. Okay. And it's just like a cute little Christmas ornament. Doesn't open. Even though you think it opens, but it doesn't. But you can hang this on your Christmas tree. It's so cool. And she comes with a hairbrush. That's so cool. And she comes with a hairbrush. It's a nice blue one and it's very pretty. So, yeah. We are just gonna wait for my mom. And this is her earring that just falls.
Just have one earring?
No. I have the other one.
Okay, here we go.
I have the other one. My mom thought she only had one earring, but she didn't. Oh, she looks very pretty, actually. Well, when I bring this to school, every last girl's gonna be jealous.
Why?
Because nobody has it. My mom's laughing.
This is for the Christmas gift, I think.
Yeah, and my mom bought this for Christmas gift. For so say thank you to my mom.
You're welcome.
Okay, so these are the cute earrings that you have. And then I'm going to put on her purse. She looks like an ice queen. Whoa. After this, we're going to open her girl hairs. So it's very hard to open, so my mom's going to help me take off the wrapping. So it's very hard for me. It looks easy, but it looks very hard. It looks harder than it looks. So, the designing is not very good. Just to tell you. Do you guys want to see her on the stand?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to see her on the stand. Let's see what this happens. What does this do? That part probably holds up the dress. So this is what it looks like. That's the bigger close-up.
Oops.
So I'm sorry if you can't see me. Okay. And then I will press on this. This is what it looks like with the shiny light. So this is my doll, and she's very pretty. Just look how pretty she looks. And look how pretty the stand looks. Probably all of you guys are thinking this is very expensive, and yes, it is. And yeah, so let's move on to our next thing. My mom's turning it off.
Bye, guys. See the next one.
No, we're not.
See the next toys will be okay.
Okay.